Let's take a look at standard deviation in Excel. So we have two drivers, and just looking at the averages, it looks like they're about the same. However, we notice that driver A is pretty reliable, spending around 30 minutes for their delivery, and then driver B is all over the place. They have 15, 60 minutes, 10 minutes, 55, and then also a 10. So in order to figure out the differences for these drivers, let's calculate the volatility by using the standard deviation. So go ahead and type STD, and then you'll have a P or you'll have an S. The P stands for the population, which means that you would have collected every single delivery that this driver has ever made, which is pretty rare. So in our case, let's go ahead and do the S, which stands for a sample. This is just a sample size of driver A and driver B's individual deliveries. So go ahead and click enter, and notice how we have 0.8366, which means that they're pretty consistent. They might be 0.83 minutes ahead of time, or they might be behind 0.83 minutes. Now let's go ahead and look at driver B. Driver B, notice how theirs is 25.24, which means they could be early 25.24 or they could be late 25.24 minutes.